Hello, bonjour, bonsoir guys. Comment nous y so? C'est amis pas nous Nashu Life. Je dis à moi venir back et c'est marqué l'autre vidéo pour nous guys. Vidéo je dis qui ça lié, c'est un petit vlog. Moi viens montrer nous que moi t'ai allé pour dernier piqui moi. So, on nous suivre ensemble avec moi comment tout bagaille t'es guys. So, moi surtout pas regretter dans ça ou pour regarder vidéo ça guys. OK? On nous suivre avec moi guys.
Are you still doing it?
Yes, I'm still doing it. I mean, you know, you have to give back. At one point in life, you have to say, okay, I'm giving back. I don't know your beliefs, but for me, you know, I think it's nice. I don't do it for people like, you know, people want to do it. You know, want to do or, I don't do it.
And I feel like I want to bully you for that.
Okay, so it's expected with the vaccine. You don't forget. So with the second dose of the Moderna, if you should have any if you feel like you're gonna feel, if you're not taking any blood pressure medication, you can do something with ginger. Ginger helps with nausea. Okay, ginger.
So I mean, the second one is more harder than the first?
It depends. Everybody's immune system is different. I hear differently. People call, oh my God, that first dose of banm. I thought I was going to get okay, and I was going to die. And other people come and say, oh, second dose, oh my God. So what to expect? If you should have any fever, body aches, like soreness, I mean body aches, headaches, fatigue, you can take 2 Tylenols, right?
2 Tylenols?
Take Tylenol or ibuprofen.
I don't have Tylenol, I have ibuprofen.
You can take it. And also, please, drink lots of water, okay? Please. Also with just keep in mind with the second dose, if you should have any difficulty breathing, any faster breaths in the sequence, if also you should have any swelling of the face with a bad rash all over the people, if they should occur, we'll tell this to everybody, just for you to be aware about the side effects of the vaccine, but that doesn't mean something happens to you. So once you take the vaccine today, 14 days from today, you'll be fully immune. You'll be fully vaccinated.
And 14?
In 14 days, you get full immunity. But that doesn't mean you still take from home your mask and practice social distancing.
So I mean,
you know, tell them to take a picture or something, but keep your card because just in case if you have to travel, you don't need to show proof that you get vaccinated. So which one do you prefer the vaccine to? This one. Okay. Any questions for me? Good.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Merci avec chacun moun qui te prend temps et puis te garder vidéo ça. So merci en pile guys. So c'était amis par nous Nashu Life. Et la vidéo comme ça, c'est à la prochaine. Bye bye.